Hello everyone, welcome to Jano TV. In which year did the Sepoy Mutiny, First War of Indian Independence, occur? Answer 1857. Who was the first Indian to receive the Bharat Ratna? Answer C. Rajgopalachari, Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, and C.V. Raman in 1954. Who founded the Arya Samaj? Answer Swami Dayanand Saraswati. Which is the largest ocean in the world? Answer the Pacific Ocean. What is the capital of the Indian state of Kerala? Answer Thiruvananthapuram. Which river is called the sorrow of Bihar? Answer Kasi River. What is the name of the highest peak in the world? Answer Mount Everest. Which country launched the Mars rover named Perseverance? Answer the United States. NASA. Who is the current president of China as of 2023? Answer Xi Jinping. Who is the current Secretary General of NATO as of 2023? Answer Jens Stoltenberg. Who invented the light bulb? Answer Thomas Edison. What is the full form of NABARD? Answer National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. What is the primary objective of the Make in India initiative? Answer to encourage companies to manufacture their products in India and increase their investment. Which organization publishes the World Investment Report? Answer United Nations Conference on Trade and Development. What is the main function of the World Bank? Answer to provide financial and technical assistance to developing countries for development programs. Which country has won the most Olympic gold medals in hockey? Answer India. Which sport is associated with the team hat trick? Answer cricket and also used in football. Who holds the record for the most goals in international football? Answer Cristiano Ronaldo. What is the official language of Iran? Answer Persian Farsi. Who is known as the father of the computer? Answer Charles Babbage. Which festival is known as the Festival of Lights in Tamil Nadu, India? Answer Kartigai Deepam. What is the currency of Thailand? Answer Thai baht. Who is the author of The Catcher in the Rye? Answer J.D. Salinger. Who painted The Last Supper? Answer Leonardo da Vinci. Which Indian author wrote A Suitable Boy? Answer Vikram Seth. Who wrote the play Romeo and Juliet? Answer William Shakespeare. Who composed the Indian national song Vande Mataram? Answer Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? Answer the lion. What is the primary cause of global warming? Answer the increase in greenhouse gases, especially carbon dioxide. What does the term deforestation mean? Answer the clearing of trees and forests, usually for agriculture or urban development. Thank you for watching.